And the reason why I go and cut you off, because the next day, you know, the video drop with the man spread up on the table and I eat it. That's why you know, say you violate. Me tell you, don't do it. Bang, bang.
Listen me, you don't know this a bass, you know. I mean, I represent for the maddest channel. You get all of the latest dancehall, the latest reggae, the whole of the bad music them. Then a must fame Edjahz, don't get it twisted, bass and dance to the fullest. Subscribe to it, like it. You see me, I say, move with it. It's a part of the movement. Yes, I, bass, I say, represent. Listen me.
Me no want no friend like this. Them on go come around when time them a beg you one blood clot split. 19 dead, me no want no friend like this.
Up move, it's never done move. You don't know if you may just stay up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all no change. The door is always open, so you know if you go do. Now upon this show we have a follow-up of the buckery war going between popular Instagram and Mackerel and popular selector Lava Sound from Chat and Laugh. Mackerel forward out a day ago and blast Lava Sound same user for Bill himself. And every music with two of them do she not get nothing off of them. She basically was blind to everything and Lava manipulate her and use her energy. And that's according to Mackerel. Now we know how we get to work over fame Edjahz. We go on the Mackerel side of the story yesterday. Now we have Lava Sound side. And it's only fair enough for to hear what the popular selector have to say. Remember we not pick side, we listen to every side, then we make our assessment.
Kill you when you escape through the gate and figure blood clot rich. 19 dead, me no want no friend like this. Then now with you come round your lip and a chat be a blood clot shit.
So Lava Sound forward out and I explain why him chop off Mackerel. The popular selector make it clear say him never rob Mackerel nor use her. And emphasize how unprofessional she was when it forward to her career. And him did it as her manager try to lead her up on the right path, she never did that take no talk. Now which part Lava say him cup overfull and when a leak video forward out with a man a suck Mackerel. Lava Sound say alright they say I'm done with Mackerel completely. No, me don't know about Uno but me did remember that tape then. It was a very awful. Now for those who never see that tape they want to see the tape, link me on the gram. I don't know we can't show it over here.
And 19 dead, friend like them you got no. Nah sport, nah see me sit down punk corner with them. Nah smoke, can't make them know you have your passport. All the dog dead in your yard, then we cut your ass short.
So we are providing with the update when Lava Sound address Mackerel and I explain to the people why I'm done with her. But first, make a run through the new official music video here from bad artist 9 Yard. Remember when I left out our music no time and the artist here like one eye-opening track. We basically allowed up the so-called friends them we claim to them real. People are right here so it start.
Mankind them bad mind he's no tell me boyfriend cause that a broke talk. Friend when me check say a friend sit down and make enough talk. Me fi dead in the bus park. True God love me and me grow rough. Man have a tough family fail me.
So that's 9 Yard new official music video entitled Friend Like This. Enough respect to Brilly Productions and Maldini Records and them are the production team back off this work piece. I don't know it go already, I know the artist alone put in the work. Plus me love the beat maker go hard. Anyway, a serious piece of track from 9 Yard. A full time now the youths them keep them eye open in the crocodile pan. You have some boy out there where pretend to be a friend, but eventually over time them ways are go show up. No tell my boyfriend cause that a broke talk friend. When me check say a friend sit down and I make enough talk. Me for dead in the bus park. True God love me I'm a grower rough. Man have a tough heart. As me say eye-opening track from 9 Yard. Him really a burn a fire upon a fake friend them. More from the official music video. Friend Like This.
Woman fail me. Friend fail me. Watch out you never fail me. Me no want no friend like this. Them on go come around when time them a beg you one blood clot split.
Now see the wicked man catchy chorus right there from 9 Yard. Him punching at the chorus with my eye, instant black eye. To owe him at the chorus with confidence and I make the people know say him no want a friend like this. them only come around when they want a blood clot spliff. And him emphasize pan a bad word there. To how him deal with a bad word there, it was called for. Yeah man, it did needed. But also, I and I show me say something where the artists go through in a real life. And it's not hard to believe because majority of us can relate to that. You have some rum friend and ganja friend out there, that's the only time them forward around. And you know what the worst part of everything, you see when them have feed them one, you don't see them. As I said before, relatable track from 9 Yard. Plus he make the chorus of the work piece very catchy. I see that one here I go place these people. Bad track from the artist, more from the official music video.
And 19 dead till date, when nothing one, me no see them. Something start, them come round and pretend. Drink off my blood clot, liquor like I feed them. Want me take me last and give them. Friend like them, yeah.
Now big up to the director, Shot and Stunning and the whole video production team. The music video carry the same flame just like the audio track. It basically outline everything what the artist Ian said. Meditation track with a perfect music video. Definitely I recommend for people to go check out this one from The Entertainer. It was released a couple days ago on The Entertainer official YouTube Vivo channel. Remember we always save under the trouble. A link is available on the flat. Click on a link there, go over there, watch the music video, listen to the track keenly as usual and leave an honest opinion in the comment area. But now, big up the artist 9 Yard. Careful of your friend them.
Tell them no bother. Don't go come around for your weed and grabber. Them now want you collect Grammy like Shabba. Friend like them a backstabber. Me no want no friend like this.
Mackerel, me not gonna do no video and disrespect you. So
what happened? Something happened?
Yeah, the video. Yeah.
What is?
She put something to the on her YouTube page at about the true story or me use her, she not get nothing of her song them and whatever the case might be. I'm not gonna answer them more. So understand? But as I say, I don't know who boots up. You supposed to know.
No, you don't fuck it, you know.
Come on, listen, man. And she say, people, I never still have her yet. Maybe didn't tell people some never see
it.
Yeah,
that's true.
And I'm a lookout for you 100%. With all of my heart. I look out for you 100%. Every money what we charge promoter, you know, I be know. And yeah, say, you never know when it come to manager. You have a signed contract and either go 40, 60 or 50, 50. If it is so be the case, we'd have to collect money from you. And you know I never collect $1 from you. Never. Everything we do for song, me pay it out of my pocket. I mean never try to violate you. Whole heap of time them try to run joke over here or anywhere, boy you, and I never follow it up. You get where I come from? Every money where you get, you know, me save some, you save some. Where they are yard, in a bank account you have all 300,000. And everything just blow away.
Oh, that's a market that go and make money, man.
Yeah. I was there and I never take $1 from you. Never.
But did you recruit what you put out?
I never.
You not even take back money for what you put out?
I never. And she know that. Come on, Sukuman.
Bro, relax, man.
Come on, Sukuman.
He's speaking on it, so we are making clear. We have to clear some of that. I hear that.
Never, so you get to where I come from, and you can't know.
Interview got you.
Yeah, I say you're not getting the money off of your song. Your song never sell.
Yeah.
So if who are boots up, tell you if they know about music, tell them go check it. Okay? At your Viva page, at the distributor, make a Viva page. Make artists tell about them look at something there. Okay? Me give you every money. I know that too. Okay? When song for mix and all kind of, I say, me never get a date for you yet, England can remember everything have to come through me. Me talk to the promoter, them, the contract send on, and everything take from this. So. Me after the phone the promoter, you're not leaving the hotel room until you get the rest of your money. Me do all of that. I never try to violate you. Okay? I say the thing up now your party. I say me tell you to keep the party. I remember like it happened last night. Me have a look of money left back for you, and Corona just come out. I say you want the money to keep the party. I say, Mackerel, don't keep the party because Corona come board. I wanna know what gonna happen. I say you still want the money. I'm send you money last set of money I have for you. Because you keep track of everything. You understand me? And when the day of your birthday, I post you and I call you, tell you happy birthday. In the night now, round like about after 10, me not hear for you after that. So I call you. Where you going with? Me hear like you out of room. I say, where you there? You say, road. I say, where you tell you to call me? I think it's the next the other day, what the case might be. Me see a picture come out, you lie down on the bed, lie down on one bed, you have one black eye foot bottom dirty, I call you. Well, yeah, I call you and say, from your manager until now, me keep on tell you, say, check your picture them before you post your picture them. Or your foot bottom dirty. La, I'm in a business. And then me see I wind up yourself at the pool with pound one different song. Then me say, oh, you keep party. You keep party, you say, yeah, you keep something. And you dance for one different song. I say, whenever I go and say, want to hear a song, did the selector play a song? You said no. I said, did the song play? She said no. I said, oh, come to a party and hear a song to play. Then lava, then everybody not know it, I'm going to leave it right there. So. And the reason I'm going to go and cut you off, because the next day, you know, the video drop with the man spread up on the table and I eat your pussy. That's why you know, say you violate. Me tell you, don't do it. Don't keep in a party. And you as a young girl, young artist, come up and you have that. That's why I cut you off. I may never try to violate you. So don't make nobody boots you for do nothing yet. Okay? I'm a deed, nobody way back up and now go deed like I did you. And if you remember when me meet you, me done him love already. You have 80 followers per your page. Remember, you are internet sensation right there and then, so your page have got hot. So if you make people know me, so nobody not really paying no mind now. Check the levels. All right? Big up yourself. I wish you all the best. I not disrespect you. So even if tomorrow you make one video, I not gonna answer you. We know is no. Remember, every management or manager artist get 40% of their money. I never take $1 from you. Okay? Simple. Love. Big up.
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers who stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
Come around when time them a beg you one blood clot split. 9 till dead. Me no want no friend like this. One kill you when you escape through the gate and figure blood clot rich.